Hello, and welcome to eolaiocht.ie. Today's topic, heat. Heat is a form of energy, so that means we can convert it to other forms of energy. For example, heat in a wire in an incandescent light bulb, that's the old type of bulb, is converted to light energy when the wire gets hot enough. We can also convert heat energy to kinetic energy when heat is used to boil water and the steam produced is used to turn a turbine, and then the kinetic energy can be converted to electrical energy using the turbine. We even see this in the weather. Heat energy is converted to kinetic energy when the air begins to move, creating wind. Wind is just moving air. Because heat is a type of energy, we measure heat in joules. Heat transfer. There are various ways for heat to travel from one place to another. Some of these ways are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. Heat transfer in solids occurs by conduction. Every type of matter is made up of tiny particles, and in solids, these particles are tightly packed together. The more energy these particles have, the more they vibrate. This sets the particles beside them vibrating too, and as heat travels through the solid object, it eventually sets all of the particles vibrating faster. Convection. Heat travels through liquids and gases by convection. When particles get hot, they rise, and colder particles are drawn into the space they leave behind. Gradually, a convection current of particles moving in a circle is formed. This circular motion eventually spreads the heat throughout the liquid or gas. Radiation. Hot bodies put out heat by radiation in the form of infrared waves. The hotter they are, the more infrared they can put out. This is the way the heat from the sun reaches us. You can also feel radiated heat if you put your hand beside a hot object. Just be careful not to put your hand on the hot object. Radiation actually occurs more easily from darker objects, so a black object radiates heat more easily than a white object of the same type. Darker objects also absorb heat more easily. Expansion and contraction. When an object gets hot, it usually gets bigger. This is called expansion. As the object gets hotter, it expands more. As the object cools down, it gets smaller. This is called contraction. As the object gets colder, it contracts more. Various devices depend on this effect. An example of this is a thermometer. A thermometer is a closed tube of glass with liquid inside. When the liquid gets hotter, it expands, and it is pushed up the tube. When the liquid gets colder, it contracts and goes back down the tube. There is more about thermometers in the video on temperature and temperature scales. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video, or send them to questions@eolaiocht.ie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This video is also available in Irish.